All right, today I'm going to go over how to change the turn signal bulb on the front of a Sprinter van. This is the same for the Dodge, Mercedes, or Freightliner Sprinter vans. They're all made by Mercedes. So this is probably one of the easiest and is just this tab right here. You turn it, I'll get a good spot for you to see. Boom, like that. So it rotates this way. Then you just pull it out and voila. You can see there's a little clamps holding that bulb in. It pulls straight out. Pop your new bulb in without touching the glass portion. Then you go back in here and line it up and it pops back into place. There we go. So it's popped back in. And voila, there is our turn signal, ready to roll.